Hey my loves, welcome to your girl day one of Vlogmas. And today on day one Vlogmas, I decided to do a get ready with me basic look for the holidays. It's a basic quick look for the holidays when you're on the go, too busy to really sit down and do a full face of makeup, beat your face. Simple. You'll see down towards the end of the video how I applied this basic look. But this is day one of Vlogmas. Get ready with Tara. This is a red lip. I've never really worn a red lip. I was never a fan of red lip. But this one here is Super Stay by Maybelline. And this is in the color 50, the shade 50. And don't get your girl to line. Let's put some glasses on. I can't see it, but I'm going to have to take a picture of it so you can see it. But it's the shade 50. I think it's Voyager or something like that. But anyway, this is a non-transferable lipstick. So let's get a piece of tissue. Because if you decide you want to wear a face mask out, because you know we are in this pandemic. Yeah, this is non-transferable lipstick. Okay, we're going to pretend this is my face mask because my face mask is actually black. So this is the tissue. There's nothing on it. Now, normally when you put on your face mask, it's not really sticking to your lips. So don't act like it's supposed to. So you apply it as if it's a face mask. And I'm talking with the face mask on, as you can see. You can see? There you go. Just a tad bit. That's gotta lick my lips. It's just a tad bit. But without licking my lips, it's clean on this side. So this is a great lipstick for face mask. Non-transferable lipstick by Maybelline. So with that being said, thank you for watching. This is day one of Vlogmas, and the day one of my Vlogmas was to do a red lip for the holidays, a basic face for the holidays. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So do me a favor, stay tuned for more videos for Vlogmas. Like I said, this is day one, but stay tuned for, I think I'm doing 26 days from now, today the 1st, all the way until the 26th of December. I'm not going to do a full 30 days because Christmas is over on the 25th. But anywho, So with that being said, my favorite word, comment, like, and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more content. Tomorrow's content, I will be doing the drugstore lippies, which will be another set of Maybelline 24-hour stay. And these are non-transferable, so stay tuned for tomorrow.